Have you ever wanted to draw like a pro, right from your phone? Let's talk about Sketchbook, one of the most popular digital drawing apps for artists and designers. Sketchbook is a free drawing app available on Android and iOS. It turns your phone or tablet into a digital sketchpad, perfect for doodling, sketching, or even creating full digital artwork. Once you open the app, you can start a new canvas and choose your brush, color, and size. The interface is clean and distraction-free. Everything you need is just a tap away. You get tons of professional tools, customizable brushes, layers, blending modes, symmetry tools, and even perspective guides. Whether you're sketching ideas or illustrating professionally, it feels smooth and natural. And when you're done, you can easily save or export your artwork in high quality, ready to share on social media or print.